In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan your computer for viruses using Bitdefender. Whether you're a seasoned pro when it comes to digital security, or just starting to understand the importance of a robust antivirus for your system, this guide will walk you through the process with Bitdefender, step by step. We'll ensure your system is running smoothly and securely without any hassle. Let's get started. First, what you'll need to do is open the Bitdefender application on your computer. You'll typically find the app icon on your desktop, in your application folder, or on the taskbar, depending on where you placed it after installation. Clicking on it will bring up the main dashboard, where you can access various security features. Once you've opened Bitdefender, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find several options. You'll want to click on Protection. This is an essential step since this section contains the tools necessary to safeguard your system against malicious threats. By navigating here, you're one step closer to initiating a scan. After selecting Protection, look for the option labeled Antivirus. By clicking on Antivirus, you bring up more specific functions relating to virus scanning and removal. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Bitdefender will monitor and protect your system from any harmful files or programs. Next, you're going to want to click the Open button. What this does is it launches the antivirus module within Bitdefender, giving you access to a variety of scanning options. This interface is where you can choose different scan types tailored to your specific needs, whether it's a quick scan for immediate checks or a full system scan for a more thorough examination. Now, let's choose your scan type. When you get to this step, Bitdefender generally provides a few scanning options: Quick Scan, System Scan, and Custom Scan. Quick Scan is ideal if you're short on time, but want to make sure there's nothing too glaringly obvious affecting your system. The System Scan is more comprehensive, delving into every nook and cranny of your files and folders to ensure complete security. For those who prefer targeting specific areas of their system, the Custom Scan allows you to select particular files or folders. Choose based on what meets your current needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your computer remains protected from potential threats. Regularly scanning your system not only protects your data, but also keeps your computer running efficiently. It's a good habit to get into, and with Bitdefender, it's as simple as a few clicks. I hope you found this guide useful, and remember, maintaining the health of your computer is just as important as its everyday functions. Happy scanning!